Hello everybody, this is Stonewall, and today we're back with some Black Ops 4, playing with the Switchblade. So I'm above tier 100 now, but I just recently hit tier 100, and unlocked the Switchblade X9, which you see here. Before today, I had only ever touched it in the gun game that includes some of the DLC weapons and that sort of thing. But I did play one warm-up round before this, and it actually went pretty well, 28 and 12, and it was just kind of pretty relaxed. I wasn't even playing with my headset on or anything like that, so pretty good, and it was on one of the bigger maps in the game, so pretty nice. So I do have a few attachments unlocked, and I may throw those on here. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, here we go. I had to get rid of one of my perks, and I thought about putting the reflex sight on it, but actually last match I kind of enjoyed playing with the iron sights. They were really clear, basically just a single pin. So since I'm just trying out this new weapon, I'm playing the regular TDM and not bare bones today. So one of the things you can notice really easily right here is that they didn't change any of the posture or anything, like any of the positioning with the character models. So you can see the arm clipping through the stock right there. Pretty bad. Not something you really expect for a game like this. But anyways, I'm running Crash so that I don't really run out of ammo as quickly with this gun.
We have the advantage.
And it drops people pretty quick. Now this is with rapid fire. Ooh, nice. Wow. Team is tearing people up. Now, it did get a little bit of a buff recently, or fairly recently I should say, and that is to its magazine size. I can't remember if it was 4 or 6 rounds that they added, something like that, to the standard magazine, because it was pretty low to start with. Not sure what spawns are doing currently. So it feels pretty good. I like the iron sights on it. And part of the reason I played a warm-up match with this gun was to kind of get a feel for how I should play it ahead of time, because last time whenever I played the Rampage for the first time, really didn't like it, but I came back to it and really enjoyed playing with it. So that's kind of what I wanted to avoid by playing with it a little bit extra. Oh, nice. Yeah, Maddox. That gun's still pretty effective in multiplayer. Oh, that was a third enemy. Almost thought it was a teammate shooting at them, but anyways. Nice work. Got this barricade watching their backs there.
Our tag deploy beacon is offline.
See if we can hit this flank. Sneak around a little bit. Just go in here.
Entanglement set.
Oh, wow. That was really close. And that's where the ammo capacity kind of come back to bite you a little bit. Ooh, somebody is right there. Oh, pack went away as I was trying to get some. Not sure what spawns are doing at the moment. Yeah, because it looks like we just had a teammate spawn there. It's been a little bit odd. Oh, I should have started shooting earlier. I was going to try to get a little bit better positioning on him before I started shooting. Because one of the things I've had to break myself of some, and I still do it every now and then, and that is start shooting at somebody as they go around a corner. Just see them and shoot them, instead of waiting until I can get a clear shot that I know I'm going to drop them, instead of just giving away my position.
Enemies have taken control of our TAC deploy beacon.
Ooh. I wonder where that TAC deploy beacon is.
Come first served.
Already got some. Yeah. A lot of spawn flips going on this match.
They're gone.
This thing can definitely drop people pretty quick. Just like that.
UAV available for tasking.
UAV above, commencing surveillance operations. UAV energy levels 50%.
Yeah, teammates are going to take them all out before I even get in here to get anybody. And another spawn flip. Seems like this match I'm just running back and forth a lot.
Sentry available.
Oh, close.
Entanglement set.
Accuracy was a bit off there. Nice.
Tactical reinforcement available.
He's still. Yep.
Hostiles have taken out our TAC.
There we go. Oh, that was really nice. And there's like the whole team right there. Okay. Oh. Yeah, purifier.
We're all over
Oh,
them.
teammate running the purifier pretty effectively. Now, if I can keep it on target, it's actually pretty decent out to medium range. Again, that's me having to keep it on target.
UAV on my grid.
Ooh. Alright. Another flip. And a win.
Operation
So there's 23 and 7. Pretty nice. Not quite the top scorer. I didn't get very many streaks in, but anyways. Oh, this was right here near the end, I think. Because I think that was the same person twice. And then the whole team shows up. There were at least 4 right at that door at that point. Huh. You can put stabilizer on it. I didn't really notice any trouble with sway, but I don't know, that could be an interesting attachment. Don't know how effective it would be. But let me back out here. So, I don't know, I was initially kind of dreading how bad the gun would be, just from the initial reviews from a lot of the YouTubers and stuff, saying it's kind of bottom tier weapon or lower tier weapon, but playing with it like that, and again, that was quick draw and rapid fire, so it wasn't no attachments, but I enjoyed it. I like playing with that gun, so I'll definitely play with it some more, figure out how I want to run it. Hybrid mags is definitely going to be a plus to have on there. I haven't really messed with a gun that has rapid fire 2 on it, I guess. I think maybe the pistol does, the Cap 45. But anyways, I enjoyed it. I don't really see much problem with it. Again, magazine size, it's 30 rounds. Takes a lot of shots to kill. So, 3 kills to a magazine, something like that, if you're watching your ammo a little bit. But most of the time with SMGs, you're just spraying. It's kind of the opposite of the Cordite with the either extended mags or the operator mod on it. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed that. Now, I'll show you kind of the way the tiers work after 100, and I'm sure most of you know this. But after 100, they start giving you reserve cases, and they don't open automatically. So they actually go over to your set here, which is also racking up based on time. So you earn them fairly quickly. This was from maybe a day or so of gameplay, plus anytime you get a tier skip, it gives you another one or earn a tier. So let's open these up and maybe we'll get something good. Again, I'm still hunting those Mark IIs. There's a duplicate. And another duplicate for the reroll. And a weird sticker. Ooh, okay. Okay. I like that camo a lot. It reminds me of the original Xbox. The color scheme and the animation on startup of the original Xbox.
I'm almost certain that
Come on. What's something? Okay. There's that camo again for the Rampart. And another duplicate. So I think, what was that? 4 duplicates? Well, one of those counts as a reroll, but yeah, 4 duplicates in that. And there's estimated, over 700 or 800 items in here, and you get duplicates really often, which is a little frustrating from that point of view. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed that. I don't know whether I'll keep saving these up or just open them as I earn them. I don't know. We'll just have to see. Anyways, this is Stonewall signing off, and I'll see you in another video.